Navmar Corporation is a service-disabled, veteran-owned small business that has been serving our customers for 35 years. Our customers, they are the United States government, primarily the military and homeland security. We serve them well because we have certifications in quality management systems and aerospace manufacturing. My vision for the company is first to strive for engineering excellence. However, above all else, to be recognized by all who know us as a company which guarantees superior customer service through quality, responsiveness, and integrity. We have also established a university. We have many different levels in the university. One that handles freshmen, two, they handle intermediate engineering program managers, and three, we graduate from a program management school. So the university is tailored to serve everyone in the company.
We are located throughout the continental U.S. We are headquartered in Pennsylvania. We have offices in Maryland, the West Coast, and San Diego. So we have a good presence throughout the country. Navmar's competitive advantage is one where we like to think of ourselves as being small, very nimble. We don't have a tremendous bureaucracy that encumbers our reaction. We provide customers timely, quick turnaround services, which in these days is not always easy to get. So we feel that our responsiveness to the customer, which is one of our core values, is to be flexible, to be quick reaction, and of course the most important thing is to be very effective, to be very good at what we provide the customer.
The strength of the company is based on this foundation of capturing a lot of the subject matter experts from the Naval Air Development Center when the Naval Air Development Center closed some years ago. We work very closely with the Naval Air Weapons Center at Pax River, the Aircraft Division, mainly PMA 290, which is the program manager for the Navy's new ASW long-range patrol aircraft, the P-8. Also, we support PMA 264, which is the Avionics Directorate, and support them in various fashions, mostly in the field of ASW.
The Science and Technology Department calls on many experiences that we've garnered in the past. Particular areas are aerodynamics, structures, materials, propulsion, electronics, and avionics. Navmar is in a very unique position considering that Navmar has deployed engineering technicians, operators, and maintainers to provide UAV services to government customers. The S&T department has direct contact with the Navmar field reps, the Navmar employees, and we're able to gain from them valuable information in terms of system performance, reliability, and maintainability. In our design process, we directly apply lessons learned from our Navmar folks deployed so that we're able to provide to the customer a better product, more reliable, more cost-effective.
The airborne systems and logistics sector has a wide range of capabilities and operations that we execute on the TigerShark program primarily. We have gone through design, development, test, evaluation, and production. And with over 170 produced and delivered to the customers, we now have an extensive product support capability. We provide the logistics and have done so to 11, 12 time zones away, kept 7 detachments flying with over 90% availability, so we're very proud of that. So those things are in development. We've developed a mobile operations center. Ground control stations are required, obviously, to fly an unmanned system, and typically they're fixed location. We've developed a trailer-based mobile operations center. You can take your airplane with you and then just be set up in an hour and flying within a couple hours of when you show up on site.
Our production facility houses about 27,000 square feet of office and production area. Out of that 27,000 square feet, we have about 5,000 office space to give you an idea how much production area that we have. Our main product line is focused on the manufacture and production of unmanned air systems and the related subcomponents and subassemblies associated with those systems. We offer pretty much end-to-end manufacturing and production, both low and high rate production capability.
Research and development at Navmar is embedded in our infrastructure. Based upon the many years of experience working for the Naval Air Development Center and getting all of the Navy programs in place at that point, as well as in-house small business innovative research and development. Our technical experts are thus well versed in the whole process, coming from concept development to the 3 phases of development within the R&D cycle, which are exploratory development, advanced development, and engineering development, where we actually build prototype models that are eventually tested both in the laboratory and at sea. Navmar supports our sponsors by working with them during the initial concept phases from the beginning of the program through the development, through the designs, through the testing, through the support. And we provide consultation and guidance and advice through the whole spectrum of the program.
Air ASW is really the detection, location, and possible engagement of submarines from an air platform. And the underwater acoustics is the main way that we use to detect the emissions from the submarine. We serve the Office of Navy Research, ONR, Office of Naval Intelligence, ONI. One of our larger customers is the Naval Air Warfare Center in Patuxent River. But there are other groups that we do work with. We do concentrate in sensor development, underwater projector or acoustic sources, different ways to collect acoustic data. We do some non-acoustic work as well. We do instrumentation that is used aboard the P-3 and P-8 aircraft, as well as shore-based systems. Try to use the latest technology and pool our expertise, which is considerable when you take into account the number of years of experience and just the diversity of backgrounds that people have.
Primarily the work we do in the combat systems sector. You can find, fix, track, target, engage, and assess. We work throughout that process with a focus on finding targets, acquiring them, tracking them, and engaging them. So within that scope, we deal with unmanned aircraft, operating, maintaining, new concepts, new methods of acquiring targets and tracking targets, from electronic warfare to signals intelligence. We deal with radars. We deal with acoustic sensors. We have subject matter experts, not just in the sensors, but also in training. We train some of the world's best target acquisition experts, joint fires observers.
Our direction and our goal for the next 5 years is to leverage what we have in the current support for DoD customers primarily, but expand the areas where we provide support, and then most importantly is to leverage the production capabilities outside of DoD applications.
When I talk about the company's vision, I would be remiss if I did not say that in the back of my mind, I would like to save warfighter lives. Everything that we do in our engineering development and everything that we do for the Navy is done with that thought in mind.